What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Just gonna do a little video. I was kind of thinking about what should I make a video about, and I'm trying to remember the comments that I've been getting through, for the while back. I gotta scroll through sometimes because it doesn't notify me on my comments. So if I don't get back to you, that's the reason why. It'll actually what I do is when I post a video, I'll check on it here and there, that first day, and then I'll let it go. It's not notifying me anymore. I think it's probably after you get so many subscribers or plays, they just stop doing that. So what I'm doing today is I'm just gonna go through and go through some of my comments. These are all bunch of my videos, right? That people have been commenting on. I'm just gonna go through here and read some of them, see if I can answer some questions that I didn't get to. A good video. You and Truman Steamers are motivating me to get into the business. I'm currently active duty. I get out in a year, so I want to try and get the ball rolling. That's awesome. So I gave it hearts. Love it, man. Love it when people are getting motivated by me, or just getting motivated, period, just to do something, for themselves. Let's see what else we got here. Question: what is expected for furniture removal? Do you have to move couches, entertainment centers, or do customers expect just to just go around the big stuff? Okay. So what I do is when I talk to a customer over the phone, book the appointment, I let them know, right? They'll get a notification the night before and a notification when I'm on my way, and if they could have all their small and valuable stuff moved out of the way. So basically, I don't do furniture moving, so I'll go around anything large or valuable. Okay. So as far as beds, dressers, entertainment centers, stuff like that, I go around. But if the customer hasn't moved when I get there, no problem. So I kind of just tell them, wherever you want the carpets cleaned, just make sure it's moved out of the way. I do move couches, love seats back and forth, or chairs back and forth, if they request it. No problem. I do got some furniture sliders if I need it, but usually they're light enough to just scoot over back and forth. So yeah, I do ask the customers to move furniture. And let's see. Love the HD angles. Cool. My GoPro is doing some good footage lately. Happy about that. Where do you learn about chemistry of cleaning? Any books or course recommendations? Well, there's a lot of classes you can do on getting learning the chemistry, or you can get online and watch channels like mine and a lot of other, and learn. There's actually professionals that get on there and they teach you about the chemistry, and I try to educate people as much as I can while I'm doing the cleaning. And I do have videos on chemistry, so scroll through, go to my channel, go to my videos, and scroll down. You will see videos of me talking about chemistry. So it's always good to keep educating yourself. Just because you took a course 10 years ago doesn't mean you know all there is. Things change, right? So keep yourself updated on everything. I'm learning all the time. From Mark Sager, and I did love it. Glad the Super Sealer worked out for you. Yeah, I used Super Sealer last week. Loved it. Makes sealing grout, whether it's natural stone or ceramic or whatever, really easy, really quick. No more using those rollers. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Could you have moved the camera around anymore? Okay, I'm thinking that's a kind of a sarcastic one. I know that was probably, that's when I had my phone. My phone was really shaky, but the GoPro is a lot more stable now, so I'm trying to up my game on my video quality and editing and stuff. I don't know, sometimes I think I'm too much, but as far as editing, but I don't know, I kind of do what I like to see, I guess. What are your thoughts on used equipment? Well, used equipment, it all depends on your budget, and I got no problem with used equipment. My orbiter, I got used. My truck mount, Boxer 421, I got used. There's a few other things I did get used, but yeah, I got no problem. Make sure it's in good condition. If that's what your budget is, you can do, then do it. Don't let it hold you back. You don't need to wait around. I mean, do you not drive a car because you can't get a brand new one, or do you get what you can afford at that time? Okay, so it's kind of the same thing. Don't let the equipment hold you back. Equipment really just makes the job easier on you as far as tools. So as you build your business, you start buying new tools and stuff, and you're gonna buy things that's just gonna make the job easier for you, and they usually cost money. Get a grout brush in there. Let's see which one this is. Okay, this was for a video I recently did, and it had filtration lines all the way around, and I used just a scrubber that I got from local Lowe's. This guy says use a grout brush. I did try to use a grout brush on those. I do have one, but they have a swivel on it, so when you go back and forth, it kind of rocks up and rocks down. So maybe there's a different style grout brush that would work for that. I can see it working great, but except for the swivel on it, just did not work. Oh, okay. So, wow, shocked to hear someone is hacking reviews, and the business owners is the one that suffers. Google has to be more active at solving these problems. Sorry about my reading, it's small. So the last couple weeks, well, it happened last year, happened mid last year, and it just happened last week. Started getting a bunch of random 1-star reviews, hitting 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 a day sometimes, but usually 3 o'clock in the morning for about a week straight, and it was bringing my score down, and it was definitely a fake review. Did some investigation, figured out that it's definitely a company that's doing this, and somebody's paying for it. And I do know local cleaners, and the local other carpet cleaning companies are having the same problem. Some even worse, some like 5 a day. So what's going on is also they're getting text saying that that there's a service that can help them in their Google Maps reviews. So it's either a local company who paid a company to do this, or a company that it's just concentrated on this area and then offering their service to fix it up. That's funny. But anyway, I went back and forth with Google and finally got mine removed, but it's gonna happen again. I'm gonna have to keep persistent on it. There are tricks to that too, and we've been having good luck. So maybe I'll do a video on that. I'm getting them removed. Okay, so I did a video on Code Red, I think, and subscriber here said, great job, Mark's products are amazing. Sager, it's got some really good stuff, products that I use. Sager sauce, Code Red, and the new sealer. It's awesome. It's called a Sager Super Sealer. Okay, do you add chemicals to multi-scrubbers or pre-spray? I notice extraction alone not getting the job done with high traffic areas. So I always pre-scrub in traffic areas, and especially if it's really soil, unless the carpet just doesn't need pre-scrubbing. If you can just put down the solution, let it swell, and then extract, great. But as far as using the multi-scrubber, the multi-wash, I don't put solution in the tank and feed it, although you're supposed to be able to do that. I've yet to try it. I do know companies out there that have used them on the multi-wash, Power Flight. I think they have a different one too, but that's all they use, and that's how they clean carpets. So I suppose you can do it, but I've yet to try just cleaning with the multi-wash. Okay, and I did do a video a while back, equipment for starting a carpet cleaning business, and I have a portable that I have. It's the Enduro, Rotovac Enduro. It's decent, you know, and it ran me about $2,000 total with everything. You get the wand, you know, all your hoses and everything. It's got 500 psi, adjustable 500 psi. The vacuum's decent, but you can add vacuum boosters on it. Washington Pro Carpet Clean, another carpet cleaning video. I always send people his way because he does a lot of portable work and low moisture VLM. Okay, so I do a lot of VLM too, but he does more, and he does have an awesome setup for a portable, so I send him over there. So yeah, my whole theory on portables, and people ask me if they should get the big, like the Bissell little green giant or whatever, Bissell machines and stuff like that, stuff that you can rent. Really, I don't recommend it, guys. I mean, it's all about appearance, right? You if you want to make any money in this, right, you should be charging, I don't know, let's say $40 an area, okay? Even $35 an area. Okay, for 7 areas, you know, your ticket's going to be pretty high. If you go in there with a machine that they can rent down the street, they're going to think, well, I should have just rented it and saved me a bunch of money. But if you walk in there with a machine they don't know nothing about, you know, looks impressive, professional, they're not going to question you, you know. Just make sure the carpets are clean when you're done. Look good, impress the customers, and you're good. But I don't recommend anything you can rent down the street, guys. So that's my opinion. Some may agree, some may not. Okay. Does a multi-wash work like a CRB? Yes, exactly. Multi-wash, I've never had a CRB, but it's counter-rotating brushes. All right, multi-wash has counter-rotating brushes. You can also clean hard floors and everything with the multi-wash. You have a solution tank and a feed, so that's good. That's why I like the multi-wash is cheaper too. I haven't had any problem with it, guys. I've had it for about 1.5 years, I think, and use it every day. No problems. Love it. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and yeah, so that was it for this this video. A little question and answers. Hope that I maybe answer some of you guys' questions. So I'm gonna go through here and like a bunch of these and love a bunch of these, because you know, I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and commenting and just showing your interest and appreciation for what I do. It keeps me going. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, you know the routine, comment. We'll see you in the next video.